AI has changed everything. And right now, more than any time in the past decade, regular people have a real shot at building something that actually works. But what most people don't know yet is that AI has made it easier than ever before to build a reliable, profitable business, powered by an email list that can literally grow itself and be managed in under 30 minutes a day. And this isn't theory, it's not hype. It's the exact system that my wife Brenda and I used to generate over $94,000 in just 11 weeks, while building the entire thing live in front of a real-time audience. No product, no audience, just a simple challenge. Could we use AI to build an income-producing business from scratch in real time? And the answer? Yes. And it changed everything for us. Now we run it in less than 30 minutes a day. And after the 11 weeks, when we look back at what drove the majority of that revenue, it all came back to one thing: the email list. But not the kind of email list that you might be used to seeing. Not the endless promotions or spammy offers or buy my stuff emails that are flooding your inbox just like they are mine. Now, this is something new. It's a smarter, self-growing, AI-powered email system that adds 100+ subscribers per day. It writes the emails for you, and the whole thing runs on autopilot. That's what we're going to help you launch inside of the AI Scale Stack. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone or even manually, because inside the AI Scale Stack, we're going to give you 4 powerful custom GPT bots that handle all of the hard stuff for you. Bot number 1 is called the Clarity Magnet, and this is going to help you instantly generate crystal clear names and taglines that are going to attract the right people to read your emails. And it's going to position your email system to stand out from day one. Bot number 2 is called the Precision Profiler, and this is going to help dial in exactly who your perfect subscriber and reader is, their wants, their fears, their buying triggers, so that every single message that you send hits the mark and moves them to act. Bot number 3 is called the Voice Vibe Builder, and this is going to help you craft a consistent, compelling voice for your emails, one that sounds like you and connects deeply with your ideal audience every time. And bot number 4 is called the Instant Issue Bot. This is the one that makes sure you never get stuck on what to write again. It's going to take your voice, it's going to take your ideas and your niche, and it's going to turn them into ready-to-send emails that convert in minutes. These 4 bots do what used to take hours or even days in literally just a few clicks. And the result is a brand new list launched under 10 minutes without writing, without funnels, and without wasting months of trying to figure it all out. But we don't stop there. Once we help you launch your list in under 10 minutes, then we're going to hand you the keys to scale it. We'll show you how you can automate your authority so that you can maximize your number of opens, clicks, and sales from your email list. We'll also introduce you to what we call the Predictable Growth Engine, which is our secret to bring in 100+ targeted subscribers every single day, completely hands-off. And we're even going to give you the tools, the templates, and all of the automations to make all of this plug and play. So as you can tell, this isn't a course. It's not just another strategy. It's the actual system that we built for ourselves, the one that created $94,000 for us in 11 weeks. And now it's yours. So even if you've never made $1 online, even if you don't have a niche, a product, or an email list yet, that's okay, because the AI does 90% of the work for you. You just follow the steps in the members area and you launch your new list. And if you ever get stuck, we're right there with you inside of the community. So if you've been chasing tactics or spinning your wheels or just wondering, how do I start something that actually works in 2025? Well, this is it. And today you can get access to the full system for less than the price of half a tank of gas. So click the button on this page right now. Let's launch your new AI-powered list in the next 10 minutes. We'll see you inside.